Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Appreciate each and every one of you guys for sticking around on a day-to-day basis. I cannot thank you enough. As you can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be talking about our good old friend Pepe, giving you guys the daily analysis on the price. And yeah, let's waste no more time and get right into it. So if we're looking at the overall market, you are seeing majority of the market seeing a little bit of a lag right now as we are closing out the weekend. But with that being said, there are a few coins that are in the green, specifically Bitcoin, that is worthwhile noting, up 1%. That is obviously really nice to see going into this brand new week ahead of us. I think that is really nice to see. But let's take a look at what's happening with Pepe. It's down about 0.7% over the past 24 hours in USD. Comparative price is currently sitting at 146, still about 4 zeros in front of the price. Down about 0.9% in Bitcoin, USD, and Ethereum. Comparative market cap currently sitting above $6 billion to be exact, $6.13 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is just shy about $1 million, to the $1 billion market, not market cap, the trading volume. But before we go into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. The conversation I really want to have revolving around Pepe is, could Pepe really get to Shiba Inu's levels as Shiba Inu got in the previous cycle? And that's what we're going to discuss today in this specific update. And what really happens to the price if that were to happen? That's what we're going to talk about. So we're looking at the holder count. Of course, it's not a Crypto ZX update if we're not talking about the holder count. So despite seeing a little bit of a cool off, a lot of sideways momentum happening with Pepe, you're still seeing the holder count increasing. And as I've said, on a continuous basis, this is a great thing that we should not be ignoring. A lot of people tend to ignore this, but this is not something that you want to be ignoring if you are holding Pepe in your portfolios. But let's continue to take a look at what's happening with the overall meme coin market. So you can see this for yourself. The overall meme coin market did go down $1 billion from our yesterday's update. So market has seen a little bit of a minor cool off. If you're looking at the broader market, you can kind of get that confirmation just by taking a look at the 24-hour momentum for majority of the coins. You can see we're seeing a little bit of a pullback. But is this a time to worry? No, not time to worry, in my opinion. As I've said, if you're looking at the next 6 to 7 months, in my honest opinion, the market is going to boom in the next 7 months to 8 months time frame. After that, I think I am going to be on the sideline unless otherwise I get some sort of realization that this time around it could be different. I'm not too sold on that. I know some people don't really like that I'm giving myself only the next 7 to 8 months for this bull market, but I want to play it safe. At the end of the day, I'm here to lock in my profits. I don't care if you want to get greedy. You could keep thinking, the market is going to go this long, the market is going to go that long. And if you think you're timing the market, I don't personally think anyone can do that perfectly. If you can, then I don't know. You might want to share your secrets with me. Anyways, let's take a look at what's happening with the price. And we're going to talk about what it really takes to Pepe for it to get to that level of Shiba Inu in the previous cycle. So if we're looking at the BTC dominance, Bitcoin dominance went up a little bit compared to yesterday, but not much has changed. But boy, I want to take a look at BTC right now. Of course, this is the weekly time frame. Bitcoin looking amazing right now. You are seeing BTC, breaking out. It's actually breaking out of this consolidation phase that we're seeing. We're kind of seeing at $68,563. So hopefully, as we wake up in the morning, we're going to see Bitcoin sitting above $70,000. Of course, there's the person that really took GME, to the level it went after that crazy short squeeze happened. I think it was in 2020. That person, Roar Kitty, is back on Twitter, getting a lot of people excited that the price of GME is going to go up, or whatever you want to call it. I have nothing to do in the stock market. I don't like the stock market, but I know a lot of people are excited about that. So could this be a catalyst? I know it has nothing to do with that, but could this somehow play a little bit of bullish momentum in BTC? Maybe. Let's see what happens. Do let me know down below what you guys personally think, but I'll definitely take that. Bitcoin looking at it's kind of sitting at $68,700 almost, guys. That's absolutely amazing stuff to see, and it's going to be really exciting to see how Bitcoin Bitcoin opens up. Of course, Bitcoin is never, it's not that, Bitcoin trading is closed. There's not the case. You could buy Bitcoin anytime you want. You could trade Bitcoin whenever you want. But, let's see how Bitcoin reacts as the overall traditional stock market opens up tomorrow morning. But anyways, let's take a look at our good old friend Pepe, because that is what everyone is here for. So as of now, the price of Pepe is currently sitting at 1472, still above that support line, as you can see on the daily time frame. Let's switch to the hourly time frame. So of course, you can see this for yourself. A lot of sideways momentum. I'm liking what I'm seeing. We're above this support line. Bitcoin is pushing up right now. So of course, this is bringing in positive momentum for Pepe. But what I want you guys to completely understand is how good we are holding around these levels. This is exactly what we want to be seeing Pepe doing right now after having this extensive rally. But that's not the question that a lot of people have. A lot of people continue to ask me, Pepe, could this really get to the Shiba Inu's levels? And I've been quite clear. Again, it's my own personal opinion, but I think it has that steam on its side. It has that heat, a lot of hype factor, something new on the block. We're used to seeing dog coins. It has a complete different narrative. It has Frog this time around, and a lot of people are exciting. A lot of people are excited about the future. Hence, you are seeing it sitting at a $6 billion market cap. And could this get to Shiba Inu's level? So if you want to kind of go back in time, Shiba Inu reached a $41 billion market cap last cycle. So a $41 billion market cap compared to where we are right now, we're currently sitting at a 6.1 billion. So that would be a seven times from here. So of course, a lot of people probably wonder, what would that really bring the price of Pepe at? There's a lot of misinformation about Pepe going to $1, this and that. I hope you guys realize those are unrealistic numbers. Those are unrealistic numbers. If Pepe is able to reach, that level as to what Shiba Inu did, that's another additional 7x from here, from where we're currently at. And to be quite frank with you, I am seeing, a lot of hype factor this time around in the meme coin market. The meme coin is a completely different category now. In the previous cycle, it was still on the newer end, but this time around, I think we could see the meme coin market even popping off more than it did last time around. And especially if we were to see, I know it's crazy to even think about this, but if we were to see, a potential ETF being launched for one of these major meme coins, that just changes the game in my opinion. But in order for it to touch the market cap of Shiba Inu, it would need to be a 7x from the current price level. So what would the price be then? So times that by 7, you'd be sitting at 0.0001 cents. So it would knock out a 0 out of its price, but there will be like 3 zeros left then. But this would be the price if Pepe, and again, it's an if factor, if Pepe is able to reach that level. So, as you guys know, I keep it 100% on this channel. None of the extremely unrealistic targets, but to my viewers, the ones that support me on this channel, I want you guys to start understanding one thing. A 7xer is still an impressive gain. Now, a lot of people are like, Crypto ZXY, Pepe, I want Pepe to go all the way up to 100x. Come on, guys, let's be realistic here. 100x would put this thing above Bitcoin's market valuation. That's not likely gonna happen. There's no chance of that happening. But, Shiba Inu's levels, when Shiba Inu came out in the market, a lot of people thought, there's no way Shiba Inu could get to those market valuations, and it proved a lot of people wrong. So when we make that comparison, Pepe really speaks to me on that side and has the liquidity, has that hype factor, and I would not be surprised if it's able to pull those gains. So people might get discouraged by saying, 7x, we're seeing some of these other meme coins that are exploding like 100, 400%, 800%. But what you need to understand is these coins have barely any, market cap, and the liquidity is very, very low. So, these coins are highly manipulated. Not all these coins will make the level of Pepe, though obviously the risk factor extremely high. So, you need to understand this, be more realistic, and think about it from that angle. Do let me know down below what you guys personally think. If you guys agree with that, let me know. If you guys totally disagree with that, do let me know that as well. Love each and every one of you guys as always. See you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.